Okay, you did it. You have 4 PIQ drafts done. So you are on your way. This week we are going to focus all about editing. And so what you're going to do is take those first 2 drafts that you wrote, check out the feedback that I provided, and then this week during class, we're going to continue to give each other feedback through some peer review exercises, and then you're going to start working on those final drafts. So again, your first 2 drafts that you submitted, you're going to be working on editing those this week, and then you're going to submit your final drafts of those first 2 on this Sunday. Reminder that we do have class this week. It's a mandatory class, same place, same time. You'll find the link in the module. I want to congratulate you on all the hard work that you've done up to this point. I know that this class is a lot of work. I realize it's a lot for 1 unit, but I think the benefits outweigh the torturing that you've been putting yourself through. So congrats on getting this far. I've really, really, truly enjoyed reading your drafts, and I think you are all on your way to some excellent final PIQs to contribute to your application and add some value. So great job up to this point. We only have 2 more weeks of the class left, this week and the next week, and this is when we're going to work on polishing those 4 PIQs so that you'll be ready to submit on your application when the class is over. So hang in there. You got this. Please feel free to reach out with questions or concerns. You have both myself and our TA, so let me know if you need anything, and let's get to work.